In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly navigate the reconciliation process within QuickBooks, ensuring your accounts are perfectly aligned and everything runs smoothly. Let's dive right in and demystify this process, making it as straightforward and stress-free as possible. First things first, open your web browser and head over to QuickBooks by typing in the URL or clicking the link that takes you directly to your QuickBooks homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a dashboard featuring a variety of options and tools at your disposal. This homepage acts as your command center for managing and monitoring your financial data. Next, locate and click on the Reconcile option within the dashboard. It's important to keep a regular schedule for reconciling to ensure accuracy in your financial records. By doing this, we're setting the stage for a streamlined and error-free reconciliation process. As you move into this next section, QuickBooks guides you with a user-friendly interface designed to simplify and clarify the often daunting task of reconciliation. After clicking Reconcile, you'll be directed to a new page. On this page, you'll notice a highlight option, which plays a pivotal role in distinguishing the specific transaction or account line you're focusing on. Click Highlight to draw attention to the particular entries you want to verify or adjust. This visual guide is handy, especially when working with lists of numerous transactions. Now, with your specific entries highlighted, click Highlight again. This repeated action might seem redundant, but it's crucial for accuracy, and accuracy is key when dealing with financial data. It ensures that the right transactions are selected, giving you full control over what's visible and allowing you to double-check your work before moving forward. After confirming your selections, it's time to start reconciling those transactions. You'll notice a Start Reconciling button. Click this button with confidence, knowing you've clarified and isolated the accounts you need to work with. Starting the reconciliation process this way ensures everything is in place to spot discrepancies and make necessary adjustments. Finally, focus your attention on the Date At option and click it. This action organizes your transactions in chronological order, making it easier to track and align them with corresponding statements. Keeping your transactions in proper sequential order is a practical step for catching any potential irregularities or errors, helping you maintain an accurate account ledger. By following these clear steps within QuickBooks, reconciliation becomes a manageable and routine task. Not only does it bolster your financial oversight, but it also provides peace of mind, knowing your books are in order. Thanks for watching, and be sure to apply these steps regularly to keep your financial house in tip-top shape.